Her kitchen is where the magic is made.
Hello there, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I am so happy you could join me today. So we are in the month of January, which is World Carnivore Month. And for this month, I decided that I was going to do BBB&E, which is beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. I didn't really have a plan for recipes that I was going to share this month. I figured as I come across things that I'm going to make, I'm just going to share it with you guys. So today, because I have a love for all things cooked in the waffle iron, and because I am doing BBB&E, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a beef, butter, bacon, and egg waffle. Fingers crossed this goes well because I haven't exactly made this before, but I think it should be fine. So I've got my waffle iron heating up. I've got my little mixer over here. So we are going to use some leftover ground beef. I have got some little bacon pieces. If you have bacon you've already cooked up, of course, you can chop up your own instead of getting the ready-made bacon pieces. I got an egg, and I have got some beef gelatin. So we're gonna get over here and we're gonna get cracking. We're starting out with 3 ounces of cooked ground beef. Mine has already been seasoned with salt as I cooked, but if yours is unseasoned, go ahead and add a pinch of salt into the food processor. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of beef gelatin powder. Pop that lid on and go ahead and process it down. Then we're gonna add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water just to give it a little bit of moisture to work with since that cold ground beef is pretty dry. Go ahead and process it one more time. Make sure you stop and scrape down the sides halfway through. And then proceed to process it until it is turned into a meat dough, so to speak. Once it's done, it should look like this. And then you're going to take that spatula, scrape it down, add 1 tablespoon of your bacon bits. You can add more if you want more, it just seemed like the right amount to me. Just kind of fold that in, stir it in, fold it in as best you can. And then you're going to divide this meat dough into 2 portions. Lastly, you need to load those 2 portions onto a preheated waffle iron. Those 2 portions are going to give you 2 mini waffles. I load them up very full and make sure I get it all patted down in there before closing the waffle iron. And then you are going to set your timer for 10 minutes. I know this sounds like a long time, but you really need that time to get this good and crispy on the outside. Once they're done cooking, carefully remove them from the waffle iron and enjoy! Okay, that was quick and easy. I have got my waffle here. This was made from beef, eggs, a little bit of bacon bits in here, and because we've got the BBB&E, I've got a little bit of ghee, which is what I'm having in the place of butter. I'm gonna try it without first, and then I will spread some on top. It smells so good. It was so bacony as it was cooking. It's pretty good. I definitely want that butter on top, but let me break it apart. Kind of show you the texture in there. Nice bready, waffly texture. It's got a nice little bit of crunch on the outside. Okay. Got me some geese bread on there. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be doing this again with any leftover ground beef that I have. I think this would be amazing paired up with some scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, make some scrambled eggs to go with the rest of it, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys are doing for World Carnivore Month. Let me know if you try to make these. Or if you're having beef butter, bacon, and eggs, what's your go-to way to fix your beef butter, bacon, and eggs? If you're wanting to see what I eat every day, you can find me on Instagram or on X. On Instagram, I'm at Friendly Neighborhood Carnivore. On X, I was formerly at Carnivore Friend, currently at Carnivore Holly. Still trying to get my other account back. We will see what happens, but you can find me at Carnivore Holly for now. Love to see you guys over there. Love to chit chat with y'all, or if you just want to quietly sneak around, that's totally fine too. I'm gonna go enjoy my waffles, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.